You love me and I love you. And also I have her and she loves me and I love her. So I have both hearts.
Assalamualaikum. Satin, hope you are all fine.
Yes.
So today there is a surprise.
What kind of surprise do you have?
So welcome after angriness.
Wow. Yes. MashaAllah. Sa wada jedin. Horta waa salaama. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waa idin wada salaamay dhammaan akhyaarta anaya qurux meesha ku jirta iyo kuwa aan ku jirinba meel walba aad joogtiin nac walba aad tihiin waxaa idin leenahay
Isha wanaagsan.
Yes, waa saxda maanta maasha Isha wanaagsan waa Isha see ku ogaatay laakiin adig
Because I want that today you become happy.
Wow, that's why you said to me
Yes.
Isha wanaagsan.
True. Exactly.
Try always to make me happy. Don't
Inshallah.
make me zevni.
Inshallah, next I will.
Hayada.
So I want to tell you that last time me and he
Well, we disagree.
we are too much fight each other
Fight because of,
because of
Wafam crying.
so we are too much fighting with each other. Even last time I don't want that he come to with me and he make with me video.
Sabuna iyash laki mukta. Ano int kuso falisti. Video ay burisi.
I understand when I said
Too much. Wa ila falisa wa
okay.
I cried wallah enjoy.
Okay, so sorry for this. Okay, sorry for my behavior.
Now I am happy because
Now
you
you
come
are-
back to me.
Yes.
If you are with me right here, right with me, I will be the most happier person.
Yes. I am
That's
also.
what I need.
Yes.
Yeah, you fill me up in joy.
Yes.
So why fight it? Habada.
If you do next time, then again fight.
No, I don't need any fight. I just want a smooth life, romantic life, comfortable,
Good,
enjoy
yes.
your life. That's what we do here, man.
Yes,
Why?
that's why we are here.
Yeah,
Yes,
enjoy.
I also want this. That's why you come. He come to me, my house. He come, then we go.
Yeah.
So now we are agree with each other. Now we have no more any issue. Inshallah.
You know, I love you so much. And I love her so much, you know. I love both of you. Well, I enjoy. I can make you happy, both of you. We can make happy here, right?
Again, you are doing bad. Then.
No, I'm not doing bad.
Yes, again I'm going then.
No, I'm telling you the truth because I
No.
love you. Don't say
No,
no
they
to
are
me.
not like this. Cannot possible. I told you before.
Anaya.
When you come, you say you know do that like this again.
Naina.
So you start again
No,
this.
Naina, you are enjoyer, I'm enjoyer, and she's enjoyer. We can enjoy together. Don't be a fight.
No.
Don't say no. I hate no, you know.
How can this possible?
I love you and I love her.
How this possible?
It is possible.
I know say
Everything,
that.
everything can be possible.
I not say like this. This time you also and he also and he also and he also. I can say like this.
No, you can't say you are a woman, but I'm a man, you know. I can handle these issues. Just trust me. I will make you happy. I will give you time. You enjoy your everything. And I
Again
will
you are
give
doing
her.
like this. Then again we
No.
fight.
No. Listen, I told you, wallahi, I will make you happy. Just put on your trust on me. Just enjoy. I will give you time. I will give everything. I will solve. I know how to handle these issues. Hayada.
You have like two places like, right?
To what?
Two places like you, one that side, one that side.
Yes.
This side. You want to go both sides.
Yeah, both sides.
Choose one. Better than.
No, I don't want to choose one. I choose both of you.
Now choose one. This is better.
Naina, we solve each other, we connect
But
each other.
yes.
So please don't make it hard to
No,
me.
before yes,
No,
before we
I-
solve each other, you said never
No.
happen like this again.
No, I will never cheat her. I will never do anything extra for her, and I will never do anything extra for you. I will put your enjoyer on your enjoyer, and I will put your enjoyer her enjoyer. Enjoy her. Okay?
Not okay. Not expect. No, acceptable. Not.
Why?
Again.
You broken my heart.
Yes, okay, it's okay. This is better.
What's okay?
Yes,
I told you that I love you and I love her. Is that the problem?
It's not possible.
Everything can be possible.
No, everything cannot be possible like this.
Listen to me. Muslim men can marry 4 wives at the same time. And I can love 4 wives. Why you say this is wrong? It's not fault. My religion allow with me that.
Okay, then you search then other.
No,
other
not another.
No, one she, then 3 more search.
No, I don't wanna.
How you can solve these all matters? Like, tell me, can you define for me?
I told you, in my religion, I'm Muslim, right?
Yes.
You're Muslim, right? Are you Shia?
No. So
You're Muslim 100%, right? Yeah. Muslim religion allow with the men must have, if they can, 4 wives. So I have only 2 wives.
So you already think about like this. So you already think about like this.
No, I'm not thinking about that. If I think even that, because you love me and I love you, and also I have her and she loves me and I love her. So I have both hearts. That's why I love you and I love her. Why you refuse them?
Because I know like this.
What do you know
but
about
if you
this?
want like this, then okay.
Yeah, that's what I need. I'm not a cheat you your time, your happiness, your enjoy, your financial. I will separate everything.
Okay.
I will give your own enjoy and I will make her own enjoy.
If you are happy like this, okay then.
Yeah, I wanted to make me happy all the day, Habibti, please no.
Okay.
So we don't need to be fight all the time.
Yes, I also don't want to fight all the time.
Yeah, because I love you, my heart is calling you. I told you so many times before right now. So why you just tell me follow that girl? I can
because
do it.
You follow.
No, I can do it, but I don't want to do it because I love you, and you love me, right?
Yes.
If you don't love me, just tell me.
No.
And why? That is why. Marka enjoy waxa xabada hadda ultimo waa qanciyay boqorada waxay taagneed kaligeyga enjoy una qanacay taasna ma anfacayso boqorada aaminan enjoy aan ku ahay ayadan enjoy aan ku ahay nidaamka waa cabirka waa saxsan yahay ma
Tamam.
ha
Tamam.
What do you mean Samam?
Faham.
Faham. Samam. Tamam faham ko da. Taadi kale aniga intaan soo fariisanay channelkayga waxaan u kaxeeyay in raali gelin oo aan u sameeyo magaalka gurigeeda aan ugu tagay gurigeeda aan ugu tagay ay koolid waqti baraf badan waxay qaweysay kadib gurigeeda aan ugu tagay enjoy aan ka soo dhigay meeshan waa ka arki doontiin haddana waa xashadii aan soo dalbanay oo tafbiga aan ka soo qaadanay ayaan isla casheynayna enjoy aan isla galeynaa kabitaar ma aan fadhiya laakiin ma ka yeelayo enjoy miyar ku sii. Yeah, thank you so much. Eat.
I don't want to give you.
Yes,
Yes, brother, I am with you. Come, brother. So there is my brother. I want to share with my brother. Happy birthday.
No, your birthday. Not my birthday. My birthday after tomorrow.
Tomorrow Naya birthday, not mine.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, enjoy it. Allah, enjoy. Enjoy it. Not enjoy it.
We share with our brother.
Enjoy. Enjoy the good you all.
Enjoy. Get away.
Enjoy the good. Enjoy the good.
My brother.
سبوي جعل المروا سبوي جعل قاعد عند سوق قاعد
now I want to close the video because it will be so long.
Yes.
So what he said, annoying. I tried to think about that and then I give him answer. But inshallah,
you already accepted.
but inshallah I will give good answer. So we tell you, we share with you. Bye bye.